So we've been having lots of pumpkins in the playroom, but today we're going to have more pumpkins in the playroom because you know it's almost Halloween, so why not? There's Nora. She's absolutely petrified of the pumpkin. Come here. So today in the playroom we are having pumpkins. Nora doesn't like the pumpkins very much. This is my first one. It's not a great looking pumpkin, but I know it's going to get destroyed. So here's the pumpkin. It's not going to last very long with these two. This is the other pumpkin. I'm getting right into it. So yeah, I think it's not going to last long with these two. And I'm going to have lots of cleaning up to do. So there is Lola with the pumpkin head. And his face isn't going to last very long. Barney's loving carving, whereas Lola's eating it. We're going to have a messy room.